Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the last topic of second chapter. The topic is, are the crystals of salts really dry? Here activity 2.15 is given. It says that you are provided with crystals of copper sulfate. You will take these crystals of copper sulfate in a dry test tube. This is a test tube, and you will heat these crystals. Firstly, the color of copper sulfate crystals will be blue. When you will heat, it will change to white. Now, why there will be change in color? Actually, the color of copper sulfate is blue because water is present in those crystals. Now, when you will heat, the water will evaporate and you can see water droplets on the inner side of this test tube. If you will again add water droplets to this copper sulfate, which is white, then again there will be reappearance of the blue color. So it was all about this activity. It means those crystals which were appearing as dry, actually they were wet. It means in copper sulfate, in hydrated form, if they are hydrated, then water is present, and because of those water molecules which are present, the color of copper sulfate is blue. So the hydrated copper sulfate, the chemical formula of hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 5H2O. Here 5 water molecules, these water molecules are known as water of crystallization, and unhydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4. Similarly, washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Here 10H2O known as water of crystallization. So washing soda is also wet. Then one more is gypsum. The chemical formula of gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O. What is chemical formula of gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O. It means two molecules of water are present. That is water of crystallization. How many water of crystallizations? 2 are present. When you will heat gypsum at 373 Kelvin, that is almost out 100 degrees Celsius, then you will get calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate, that is CaSO4 half H2O. This is known as plaster of Paris, POP, plaster of Paris. Now what are the uses of the plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris is used for making monuments, for making different things of decoration, wall decoration. Then it is also used for the joining of the fractured bone in the hospitals. So this is the chemical reaction, that how you can change a plaster of Paris back to the gypsum. That is when CaSO4 half H2O, water, that is 1.5 molecule of water is added, then gypsum CaSO4 2H2O is obtained. So it was all about this last topic. Thank you and have a nice day.